Go for it. Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. So I'm at my buddy Bruce's house at an undisclosed location. And so I went hiking last year and I used the Zerk 40. And it was a good 40-liter fast pack. But I didn't like the thin hip belt and the way it didn't have load lifters. So over this winter, I was looking at a couple lightweight backpacks. I was looking at the Hyperlight Wind Rider and the LAF X-Pack. And then I was doing some Googling, and this English company called AtomPacks came up, and they were able to do custom 40-liter packs, 50-liter packs, 60-liter packs. And so I plugged in November 19th. They had a 12-week production lead time. And so I got this box 2 days ago. So order to my door was, in the 8-week range. So I thought that was pretty good. So I think this is just going to be a quick little unboxing. Open it up and check out what I got. Today's knife, I won this in a contest a few years back from Seth. So I don't think he's doing YouTube videos anymore, but this is my EDC knife for a couple years, and it was really good. All right, let's see. There we go. The unboxing. Shipping label. Boy, they are really taping this together. All right, here we go. I'm getting there. All right. Here, boy, this thing, I'd have to weigh it. When I do another review where I got it packed up a little bit, I will weigh it as it is. But you can see it's got a really legit hip belt, and I ordered this one side pack. I ordered this little pocket here and this other little pocket, little stretchy thing. There's a daisy chain, load lifters, and these are the colors. This thing is made out of X-Pack. Let's see if I can expand it for you, get a sense of what this thing is. Well, it's going to take a little while. This is going to be a YouTube video short. I'm not going to stuff it for you here. They did actually put a little, they sewed a little Velcro 4x4 Velcro pad, because I said I wanted to be able to put, like, say, a reflector patch on, so I can be seen at night. Take it down to that. So there we go there. That fits pretty well. And I have a Maryland State flag patch, which I couldn't find this morning in my camping gear locker. When I was on the AT trail last July, I was given my trail name, which is cheesesteak. It's a little backstory on that, but this is a very nice. This X-Pack material is just has a nice feel to it. It's not too crinkly, not too noisy. So I think I'm looking forward to the spring and summer and fall using this thing. So there you go. Thanks a lot for watching.